Well, hey everybody, Doug Rucker here with PressureWashingSchool.com and DougRuckerStore.com. We're located right here in the Houston, Texas area. We're in Porter, just north of the Kingwood area. So if we could ever help you with any of your pressure washing, soft washing supply needs, equipment, soaps, chemicals, whatever you need, rig builds. We do a lot of rig builds. Just feel free to contact us. You can email us info@DougRuckerStore.com. You can also call or text 281-612-1223. And of course, our website's DougRuckerStore.com, and we ship all over the United States. For any of our training opportunities, if you're wanting to start a pressure washing business, just go to PressureWashingSchool.com. Our schedule is there, whether you want to attend the hands-on training, if you want to get some virtual coaching or mentoring, our point training, the Skool, SKOOL online school. We've got a lot of guys that's growing really fast. You might want to check that out. But anyway, any questions you have about any of our training, just go to PressureWashingSchool.com, or you can email me at learn@PressureWashingSchool.com. Hey, today I want to take a minute and talk to you about a cleaning product we've had for a few years. I use it a lot. A lot of guys love it, but I haven't really updated or done a video on it, and that's called the wrap. So we're going to do the wrap on the wrap coming up next. All right, so let's show you the wrap. Over here, it's right here, the green bottle. We've got our wood cleaners here, down there, F9 bark, bleach neutralizer. Everything's kind of here. If you come into the store, you pretty much know where all this is. But this is the wrap right here. So let's grab a gallon of this, and we'll walk over here, and we will talk about it, and try not to keep the phone too close to my face. So yeah, this is the wrap product right here. This is it's called an all-purpose cleaner because it does a lot of different things. I can restore oxidation with it. I use it for removing the gutter stripes, the tiger stripes off of gutters, and metal roofs, galvalume roofs. I've used it on before, had to brush, but you can restore oxidation with it. It's a great product for that. I usually mix it about 20-1 when I'm doing oxidation removal on garage doors or vinyl siding. We don't get a lot of vinyl around here, but occasionally. But painted hardy plank, pretty much any painted surface. If you want to restore oxidation, this is a great, safe product. And like anything that you would use on oxidation, if there's no original paint left, you could take it down to bare metal, which you could do with just water. So it's always good to test. Always test any type of surface before you use any chemical. With the wrap, you need to make sure that you apply it to a dry surface. Don't pre-wet it. Normally, I suggest that you pre-wet any type of surface with water before you apply a chemical. With the wrap, it's safe to apply it dry and will work better on a dry surface. But Alucobond panels, solar panel cleaning, just all kinds of different things that you can use to use this wrap for. Even grease and oil stains, it will take care of that. It doesn't have sodium hydroxide or anything like that. It has some degreasing properties in it, but it's also safe to use as well as a house wash and roof wash surfactant. So I always keep a couple of gallons of the wrap mixed up, diluted 15-1. So that's about 8 or 9 ounces per gallon of water. So a little bit of this stuff goes a long way. It's super concentrated. There is no water in this jug. So you have to mix it with water. If you don't, and try to use it full strength. It's not really going to do anything. Now, if you add it at full strength to your bleach, it will work because it's mixing with liquid. But for my house wash and a roof wash surfactant, I mix this about 15-1. And then I add probably half a gallon of that to about 80 gallons of mix, because I don't need a lot of soap. I'm not one that is big on this clean stuff, and the more soap, the more it'll stick and all that kind of stuff. I'm more about getting your spraying technique so that you're not flooding the surfaces. So I don't need a ton of soap, because the problem is if you add a lot of soap or have a really thick surfactant that causes stick, then just remember it's going to stick to everything it touches, including plants. So that's how I do it for my house and roof wash surfactant. I just add about a half a gallon of it diluted 15-1 into my bleach tank. When I'm filling it up, and it's a 100-gallon tank, I usually fill it up to about 80 gallons and then add some of this. And I don't do that every time I fill it up, because this stuff will last a while. It's about every 2 to 3 times I add bleach to my tank, I'll add some more of this. And you just have to kind of play with it to your liking to get how much soap you want coming out. So a lot of guys will do it anywhere from 1 to 4 ounces per about 4 to 5 gallons of bleach. You could do it that way if you wanted, but the main thing is just play around with it. But the reason I like it so much is there's so many different things that I can use it for, like all of the things, even dirt dauber nests. Man, it'll just make them fall off, get them really good and wet, and spray some of this on it, let it sit for a little bit. It just makes for removing those so much easier. But it's a great product. You ought to get some, try it. I use it on a lot of different things. And I use it on a lot of things sometimes when I'm not sure what to use. I'll pull out the wrap, put some on a rag. I have a little battery operated pump up sprayer that I always keep it full with it mixed 15-1, and then I keep 2 gallons of this, like I said, that's pre-mixed 15-1 on the truck too. So I can just pour it into that, or I can put some on a rag if I need to do something where I need to wipe. So it's a excellent product. It helps prevent, one of the things I just love about it is, like I said before, I don't have to carry around another surfactant, specialty cleaner, stuff like this, because this will do so much. But get you some, order it from their website, try it. I think you'll really like it. I will tell you this, if you're going to use it as a surfactant in your bleach tank, before you do it, make sure you exhaust all your bleach out, rinse it out really good, and don't ever mix it with anything else. It's engineered to work by itself. It does not need any other surfactant. As a matter of fact, if you do, you'll probably start seeing the surfactant that you added start setting up at the top of the tank, and you don't want to do that. So rinse your tank out really well, start using this. I think you'll really like it, and you'll save yourself a lot of money. All right, guys, so I hope this has been helpful for you. If you want to order some of the wrap, just go to the website. It's right there. I think you'll really like this product. It just does a lot. And like I said before, it kind of prevents me from having to carry a lot of different types of products on my trailer. And so that's always a good thing. Hey, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, leave me a comment or a question if I can help you out. And then, yeah, just thanks so much for watching. And if you have any questions, let me know. And don't forget our pressure washing business training. If you need help with that, just go to pressurewashingschool.com or email learn@pressurewashingschool.com. Hey, y'all have a very, very blessed day.